We are at the mining investment event in Quebec City, and I am joined now by the chairman of Resouro Strategic Metals, Simon Stilwell. You have the Tiros Project in Brazil, and I want to talk about that, but for investors that might be hearing the story for the first time, just tell us what makes the Tiros Project so exciting.
Well, it's enormous. I mean, it's an extremely large project. So you've got 1.4 billion tons of measured and indicated resource, and it's extremely high grade. So we're 4,000 ppm on the rare earth side, and we're 12% on the titanium dioxide side. So it's big. And then we've also got an extremely high grade zone where we double those grades. So we're 9,000 ppm on the rare earths, and we're 23% on the titanium. And if that wasn't enough, we've only drilled 8% of our total property. So it's extremely large and very exciting.
Only 8%?
Only 8%.
Wow, so a lot of potential there.
Yeah.
And any other projects in your portfolio that we should know about?
So we've got one gold project, Novo Mundo, and we've just announced a deal on processing sharing. So we're working with our neighbour who's got a processing plant, and we'll be shipping ore to them. And the benefit of that is we'll be receiving cash flow as that's processed, and we should start to receive cash through the end of 26 into 27 and 28.
Okay, well, a lot happening. I want to go back to Tiros for a second because you talked about just how large it is. Only, explored 8% of it. So let's talk about that other 92. What do you believe is still left there to be unearthed?
Well, it's a very homogeneous deposit. So I'm pretty sure it extends beyond what we have drilled in a very similar format. So there's no great incentive to drill more at the moment because we have got such a large deposit. We'll do some infill drilling as we approach PFS, but we've got a 140-year mine life on our largest possible plan, so I don't see the need currently to develop too much more.
And I've in my research I was reading really strong, encouraging results, and you're advancing your PEA.
Yes.
How important are those milestones in demonstrating the long-term development of this project?
So the PEA will be out by the end of June. So we're very close to releasing that, and that's important because it will be the first real look at the economic viability of the project, and it also enables much better discussions in terms of financing, offtake, and basically getting people to understand the metallurgy, which is quite complex because of the titanium and the rare earths. So it'd be really good to get that out soon.
Yeah, it sounds like it. So in addition to that, coming at the end of June, what is some other news flow or key milestones that investors should look for in the next 12 months?
Within 12 months, so we'll have the PEA out in the first half of this year, and then we'll move to scoping out the PFS, which should be complete probably by September. And I would have thought then, the first look at the PFS would be in the summer of 27. So that's the timetable we're working to.
Amazing. So it looks like a lot for investors to look forward to. Can you tell us where you're trading and what your ticker is?
The ticker is RSM. We're trading on the TSXV and also on the ASX.
Amazing. Thanks so much for sharing all of that with us, Simon.